Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Nancy. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me?
Now, although our neighborhood is exquisite, we love the neighborhood, the apartment needed a few, remodels, like a few makeovers and things like that. So we didn't really mind doing it. Y'all know, baby, I put the work in, okay? I want to send a warm thank you to Gona Jewelry. They sent over this amazing jewelry set. But before we get into it, let's go over their website. I want to tell you guys a little bit about them. You all, they have some amazing pieces, jewelry. Now they give me, like, you get to add your charms to the bracelets, and I absolutely love that. When they reached out to me, I was so excited to look over all of their pieces, and as you guys can see, they have some amazing bracelets. Now you can wear it like that, or you can add charms to the bracelets as well. They have beautiful tennis bracelets and everything like that. They also carry earrings and other pieces that you may like as well. They are globally shipped and also free shipping if you order over $59. So definitely this is something that you may want to get for a friend or a loved one, your boo thing, or whichever. But you guys, I absolutely love the pieces that they sent over to me. Now let's get into this unboxing. Oh my God, you guys, do you see this? This bracelet is stunning. It is absolutely amazing. It's flexible, so you don't have to worry about it being stiff on your wrist. I mean, just look at how shiny that is. It is sterling silver, 14 karat gold plated, you guys, so you do not have to worry about its tarnishing. It is very good on sensitive skin. I absolutely love this bracelet and cannot wait to add it to my jewelry collection. They also sent me over a pair of earrings, and these came with a 4-leaf clover charm on them that I selected, and these are absolutely stunning, you guys. As you can see, they are really nicely packaged when they sent them over, so you know your pieces are going to be secure, girls. So run on over to Gona Jewelry, you guys, and pick some pieces up, because they are definitely some that you are going to want to add to your collection. They are absolutely amazing, high quality, and you can add to the pieces if you want, or you can switch them out if you want to change your charms. Guys, be sure to use my coupon code and definitely head on over to Gona Jewelry and get you some of these pieces. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a home vlog, y'all. We are about to do this unboxing. I just got some TEMU packages in the mail, so we're about to do real quick TEMU haul. To see what we get. Oh, Jesus Christ, child, girl, that thing tried to take me out, honey. But y'all know we are doing a kitchen makeover, and so remember the last vlog, I told you guys that we are doing a kitchen makeover, and I was gonna get some labels to go on some containers to go in the kitchen. Let me get the container. Y'all, this is the container that we picked up from a thrift store, and we're gonna use it as a coffee container, store our coffee in there. But as you can see, it doesn't have any labels. So I was like, let me go down to the TEMU, see if they have some labels. Girl, I ordered some labels. Look at the labels. Why are they miniature? Oh my God, guys, I thought, oh my God. Girl, I thought they were big. Girl, what put this on, I won't even be able to read that. Look at that. Now, this is my fault, no fault of TEMU's, because I probably should have read it, I guess, honey. They didn't tell me it was half an inch. Well, I guess I could just probably use it for something else. I'm definitely gonna have to order some more. Plus, honestly, I don't even think I really like this color. So, yeah, that was a flop. Let's open up the floating wall shelves. Okay, where's the... Okay. This probably ain't even a way to open it. Knowing me. Y'all know me. I do not be messing around with these boxes. Oh, okay, you open like that, I think. You open like this? No? How do... Oh, right here. Of course. Okay, now let's see what these look like. Oh! Girl, not the pack of screws came opened. Look, TEMU, y'all already planned on my top and sent me those miniature ass labels. Now you plan on my top more. You done sent me a wall shelf, honey, and the tools package was opened. Y'all need to get it together. However, these are nice. Okay, y'all, these look really good. I'm not gonna open them up right now because you guys know that we are also ordering some wallpaper. I did get some reply backs. Thank y'all so much for letting me know you guys' opinions on what kind of wallpaper we should get. Remember, I told y'all, I'm gonna show y'all over here, the wood paneling. I told y'all I wasn't sure if I wanted the natural or if I wanted, I think, the finished wood color. All of us voted on natural. I did too. So we're waiting on the natural wallpaper to come. But yeah, I just wanted to open up the wall shelving and see what it looked like, y'all. They're pretty heavy. The packing said that it was 5 pounds. This is not 5 pounds. But I would say this should look nice. I actually thought they were a little bit longer, but this is actually perfect. So yeah, I can't, girl, let me pick these things up, y'all. Mashed potatoes and green beans tonight for dinner. Really excited about that.
I so deep in my eyes. I touch your room more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling and my pride is the one to blame. Cause I know I don't understand just how you love me doing no one else can. Tell me nothing so crazy right now. Your love, stop me looking so crazy right now. Tell me nothing so crazy right now.
So y'all, I know y'all probably have looked in our kitchen several times, okay? You probably said, where the hell is their microwave? Well, when we moved into this apartment, y'all, almost 2 years ago, it's coming up on 2 years in April. And we noticed, you know, of course, no microwave, and we thought about it. We was like, well, what do we really need the microwave for? To warm up your food really quick, right? But y'all never notice when you warm your food up in the microwave, baby, honey, the inside will still be cold. So we found out we prefer to warm our food up in the stove or in the air fryer. So yeah, plus I just did not want it sitting on my counter, honey. I just didn't like the aesthetics of it all. And honestly, since we have been doing it, I don't miss a microwave at all. When we moved into this apartment, we wanted something that was below our means. Y'all see, we have been doing a lot of apartment makeovers and things like that because we just didn't want to pay a lot of money for rent. I'm just gonna say we didn't want to pay a lot of money for rent, y'all. So now, although our neighborhood is exquisite, we love the neighborhood, the apartment needed a few, you know, remodels, like a few makeovers and things like that. So we didn't really mind doing it. Y'all know, baby, I put the work in, okay? Y'all know rent is crazy. Y'all know we lived in Las Vegas, so you already know what those prices can be like. And we just wanted something where, you know, we just wanted to be really, really comfortable living in the economy that we are living in right now. So we are not people that want to keep up with the Joneses or anything like that. We don't follow trends. Baby, we trendsetters over here, okay? And that's what we do. But y'all, I'm just getting the apartment together. So y'all just kind of like gonna do a little clean with me and everything like that. I want to say it look a mess. To y'all, it probably won't look a mess. But to me, it does. So I have to do some vacuuming. I have to just kind of straighten up a little bit. And I'm just gonna, y'all gonna be here with me. Y'all cool with that? Y'all wanna hang with me for a little bit? All right, let's do that. Still gonna keep them up. Organizing the pillows on the couch. Y'all see my headscarf was right there. I have my, oh girl, I don't know if you guys are readers, but baby, this book by Tanisha Stewart is called Everybody Ain't Your Friend. Baby, if you are someone who enjoys drama, like romance, thriller, drama, messy kind of books, girl, go get this. I got it off of Amazon. I'll be sure to leave the link down in the description if you guys want to pick it up. And when I tell you this is a page turner, I was reading it like, girl, I know she ain't do that with your man. Books should not get you that excited, but baby, this book, it is good. Jasper, are you done playing in this box? Do you want this? No, I'm throwing it away. Because if y'all have kids, y'all love to play and lay in boxes. But yeah, this finna go inside the closet lid. We done with this. What's this? Oh, some trash. Very good. I just walk around the house, and if I see anything out of order, that's what I do. But honestly, y'all, our apartment does not get messier than this, to be completely honest with you. Our cat's iPad. Yeah, this is Jasper's iPad, okay? He plays his cat games on here. You have a cat, get you one that's gonna keep them busy for hours, especially if they like to be in your face like ours. This is the Downy beads, or I think the Game beads, just soaked in water, and so they can kind of dissolve. Baby, when I tell you this smell way better than Febreze ever could. And I spray our bed down. I actually leave it like this to kind of let the bed air out all day. And then I come back in here a little later, spray the bed down, and then I'm gonna make it up. Because this is not made up. But how I make it, it's too easy. I feel like really have the room looking really nice and well put together. Yeah. Baby's on a business trip on her way home. Let me put her remote on her side. Because I'm not really a TV person like that. Oh, let me and my wife watching this video talking about some, you was walking on that rug with your house shoes on. No, I was not. But y'all remember these wardrobers we got from TEMU? Girl, I absolutely love these. This is how I keep my TEMU furniture clean. I just spray it down with Windex, honey. Wipe it off. Looks so good, y'all. These holding up very, very well. So if you were thinking about getting these, you should. I'm gonna get, when I'm done, when I'm finished cleaning them off, I'm gonna give you guys a real quick little tour of the inside of my closet right here, so you guys can see how well organized I had it, baby, because I've been over here doing the thing. See, I've added all my clothes, all of my bags, and my jeans, my skirts, and then down here I have like my sunglasses, spring clothes that I'm ready to break out. So yeah. And did y'all know I have another channel, honey? Miss Tanya Latrice. I'll be sure to include it. Y'all go follow me over there. I do all of my beauty fashion content over there, and I am planning on doing some fashion hauls, so yeah, y'all go check me out over there.
Alright. Ain't this what you came for? Don't you wish you came more? Girl, what you playing for? Come on, let me kiss that. Ooh, I know you missed that. What's wrong? Let me fix that. Twist that, baby. Tonight's the night I let you know. Baby, tonight's the night we lose control. Baby, tonight you need that. Tonight, believe that. Tonight I'll be the best you ever had. I don't wanna brag, I'll be best you ever had. I don't wanna brag, I'll be best you ever had.
Thing that's saving you
But I need that time to your point.
is the heart of a woman.